In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share meals on MyFitnessPal with your friends. Sharing your meals with friends can be a fun way to stay on track with your fitness goals, exchange recipes, and motivate each other along the way. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can easily start sharing those delicious meal creations. Let's begin by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device. Once you have the app up and running, you'll need to log in to access your profile. On the login page, you'll see two fields, one for your email address and the other for your password. Enter your details carefully, making sure everything is typed correctly to avoid any login issues. When you're ready, just hit the login button and you'll be taken into your account. Upon successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now look towards the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see the profile option. Give it a tap to access more features related to your personal account. From there, navigate to the section labeled Recipes, Meals, and Foods. This is where all your meal preparation magic happens. Next, you'll want to select Meals. Here, you'll have various options, but what we're looking for right now is the ability to create a meal. So go ahead and tap on Create a Meal. This allows you to enter the details of the meal you wish to share. Start by giving your meal a descriptive name. You also have the option to add a photo, which can make your meal more appealing and provide a nice visual for your friends. After naming your meal and possibly adding a photo, it's important to adjust the privacy settings. Click on Public. Making your meal public is crucial if you want your friends and maybe even the broader MyFitnessPal community to view and try it out. Double check to ensure this setting is enabled. It's a commonly missed step, but essential for sharing. Once you have everything in place, click OK to confirm your settings. Now, you're ready to start adding food items to your meal creation. Find the plus sign located below on your screen and tap it. This will prompt you to begin selecting food items. As you find and decide on a particular food to add, tap the plus icon next to it to include it in your meal. Finally, before you wrap things up, remember to save your meal by clicking on the Save option. This step locks in all your efforts and ensures your meal is ready to be shared with friends, and there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily share your meals on MyFitnessPal and engage with your friends in a nutritious and enjoyable way. Happy sharing!